Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, you didn't know, say, Elijah did come back in a Jesus time? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 17 from verse 1 to verse 13. 6 days later, Jesus take Peter, James, and James' brother John and carry them go up a one high mountain, him and them one. All of a sudden, Jesus start to change right in front of them. Him face start shine like the sun, and him clothes turn white like light. All of a sudden, Moses and Elijah show up in front of them too. And I chat with Jesus. So Peter said to Jesus, say, Lord, a good thing say we there, man. If you want, me will make 3 shade. One for you, one for Moses, and one for Elijah. Look, you know. Same time Peter chat, one bright cloud come down, come cover them up. And one voice in the clouds say, this a me boy picnic. Me love him and he make me happy. Una feel listen what him say. When the follower them hear the voice, them catch them afraid, dash themselves a ground and turn down them face. But Jesus come touch them. Him say, get up, no afraid. When they look up, they no see nobody, just Jesus one. When them a come down the mountain, Jesus warn them off, say, not tell nobody but when you see till the man where God pick dead and come back alive. Him follow them ask him say, so what make the law teacher them say Elijah have to come first? So Jesus answer them say, Elijah come first for true, and I go get everything ready. Me tell you this here, Elijah come already, but then catch say Elijah that. And them did do him whatever them did want to do him. As same so, them are going to make the man where God pick suffer. As so him follower them catch, say a John the Baptist, him did I tell them about. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.